Sanya, a 13-year-old curious city girl studying in class 8. Kabir, Sanya's 14-year-old brother, who helps her contemplate things and perform various activities. Mummy, Sanya's mother, who facilitates them in understanding different concepts.
Hi friends, good to see you all again. You know, a stray female dog has given birth to puppies in our locality and they are super cute. See, they are visible from our window. Mummy, look, these puppies are so cute.
Yes, they are cute. All young ones look cute and adorable, even if they are animals or even plants for that matter.
Yes, small saplings of plants look so lovely. I remember studying about plant reproduction in my previous class. Mummy, I was wondering if the animals produce their young ones the same way that plants do.
Sanya, although animals do reproduce using either sexual or asexual modes, but reproduction in animals is slightly different than in plants.
Oh, is it? I'm curious to know how. Friends, do you remember how reproduction takes place in plants? Can you list out the parts of a plant that play a role in the same? Mummy, I remember that plants have male and female parts that play a role in sexual reproduction. Do animals have male and female parts too that are useful in the process of reproduction?
Yes, Sanya, they do. But unlike in plants, both male and female parts or organs are not present on the same animal. Some animals have male organs and are referred to as male animals, while others have female organs and are referred to as female animals.
Like in humans, right?
That's right.
Friends, can you refer to the image and list out the male and female reproductive organs in humans? Mummy, I'm still confused. How can animals reproduce asexually? I mean, of course they cannot be propagated or grafted.
No, Sanya. Asexual reproduction can take place by other ways too, like cloning.
Cloning?
Yes, actually, asexual reproduction is a pretty cool way to clone one's own kind. Imagine how cool it would be if you were able to split apart on your own and form a clone of yourself.
I'm not too sure about that. How can animals clone themselves?
Sanya, not all animals do that. However, a fragment of animals have the capability to reproduce asexually, like Hydra and amoeba. Yes, and the offspring or the young one is formed through budding or binary fission of the body and is exactly like the parent.
You mean the reproduction takes place at other body parts than the reproductive organs?
Yes, you got it right.
But how?
Let us take the example of Hydra. Hydra is a microscopic freshwater organism that reproduces through budding. Under favorable conditions, a bud starts developing on it. The bud grows tentacles like the parent Hydra. Eventually, the bud starts detaching from the parent organism Once the bud is completely detached from the parent body, a new independent and identical hydra is formed.
Wow, this sounds amazing. So does amoeba clone to this way too?
No, Sanya, amoeba reproduces through binary fission.
Oh, how does that work?
Well, I'll leave it up to you to research.
Friends, can you research on this using your textbooks and let me know? You can refer to the page 107 and 108 of your textbook for the same. Once done, go to www.google.com and search for asexually reproducing animals. Look through the resultant websites and make a list of 10 such animals that reproduce asexually. Also, collect their pictures. Share the findings and the collected pictures with your class.
Let us summarize our learning. Two modes by which animals reproduce are sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Male and female organs of animals are not present on the same animal. Some animals like hydra and amoeba have the capability to reproduce asexually. Offspring in asexual reproduction of animals is formed through budding, like in hydra, or through binary fission, like in amoeba. Reproduction takes place at body parts other than the reproductive organ.